Module 1. This topic will be the Utah Alcohol Training and Education Seminar. Information to be covered in this unit. Number 1, the tutorial. Number 2, the enrollment agreement. Number 3, who is required to attend an alcohol training and education seminar. Number 4, it is illegal to serve alcohol without attending an alcohol training and education seminar. Number 5, how to replace a lost, stolen, or destroyed proof of certification. Number 6, your certification must be available for inspection. And number 7, the seminar objectives. We are going to begin with a quick tutorial of the AACEA online course. The purpose of this tutorial is to help give you a general idea of what to expect before you begin. If you have questions or experience any problems while taking the online course, please click on one of the tabs under the Help menu for guidance, or send us a contact form, which you can find by clicking the Contact button. Basics. There are 8 total modules throughout this course that you will need to pass before taking the final exam and thus completing our course. Each module has its own topic. However, they all have the same general format. Once you've completed a module, you will be required to take a quiz reflecting on what you've learned in that module in order to move on to the next module. You may review modules and quizzes up until the final exam. Once you begin the final exam, you will be unable to go back and review. You do not need to take the entire course in one sitting. The program saves your progress every time you complete a module section. Just make sure to log out whenever you decide to take a break. When you log back into your account, you may click the Resume Course Where You Left Off button, which will bring you directly to the section you left off at. Throughout the course, you'll be asked security questions in order to verify your identity. When a security question pops up, you must type in your answer the same way you entered it when you first registered. This includes capitalizations, spaces, periods, etc. You'll be unable to continue until you enter your security question correctly. If you forget a security question while taking the course, you can email them to yourself by clicking the designated button. What do the modules consist of? The modules consist of videos and interactive activities. Videos will automatically direct you to the next page as soon as they are finished playing. However, interactive activities will require you to click the Continue button at the bottom of the screen in order to move on to the next page of the module. Different types of interactive activities. There are several types of interactive activities in our course. The following is a more detailed explanation for a majority of the following types of activities. Multiple response. These activities will have a question as well as multiple correct answers you can click on. Multiple choice and true/false. These activities will have a question as well as answer choices you can click on. Only one of these choices is correct. After you have finished answering the questions, you can review your answers and see the correct answers. Short essay. These activities will ask you a question or multiple questions and will require you to write a short essay. Once you are finished, you can click on the Continue button in order to look at referenced answers. Other activities will require you to click on pictures and drop-down menus. All interactive activities will display a review page after you have submitted your answer or answers. This page will show the correct answers for that activity.
Hi, my name's Len Riggs, and I'll be the host of this seminar for you today. A little bit about my background. I have been in the restaurant/hospitality business for what seems like forever in one vein or another. In fact, I wrote this program from the eyes of what you as a server or a bartender or an owner as a manager goes through.
Hey, you two, how are you tonight?
Hey, how's it going?
I'm doing well, thank you. Got some ID?
Yeah.
The fact that it's a very tough business, the fact that alcohol is a big part of our business.
The state of Utah's alcohol server training program is in response to the fact that alcohol is the nation's #1 drug problem. Enrollment agreement. The state of Utah requires that all servers, managers, bartenders, or persons who supervise persons who serve alcohol in on-premise licensed locations pass the seminar within 30 days of employment. Only those that are certified by the Utah Division of Substance Abuse and Mental Health may conduct an alcohol training and education seminar. That includes the provider and instructor, either by classroom or via the internet. Failure to do so could result in action against you and your establishment. The seminar you're taking part of does not represent all legal issues concerning liquor laws in Utah State. For any questions that you may have concerning additional laws not covered in the seminar, please contact the DABC at 801-977-6800. By taking part of this seminar, you agree not to consume alcohol or to be under the influence of alcohol or any other intoxicants while taking part of this course. To satisfy the seminar's requirements, you must be the one who is participating in the seminar. At the conclusion of the seminar, an exam will be given. To pass the exam, a minimum score of 70% must be achieved. You may not refer to any of your notes or discuss any information with others. Upon passing the exam, you will print out your alcohol server training certificate, which is valid for 3 years. If your certificate is lost, stolen, or destroyed, you can replace it by contacting us either by email, telephone, or the U.S. mail. You must have your certificate available for inspection at all times while working. Seminar objectives. Here's what we're going to get accomplished during this course. This seminar is to help you understand: number 1, alcohol is a drug and its effect on the body and behavior. Number 2, facts and myths about alcohol. Number 3, what alcohol is. Number 4, alcohol's path through the body. Number 5, alcohol and drugs do not mix. Number 6, factors influencing the effect of alcohol. Number 7, recognizing drinking levels. Number 8, recognizing the problem drinker and techniques for servers to help. Number 9, overview of state alcohol laws. Number 10, techniques for dealing with the problem customer. Number 11, intervention techniques. Number 12, establishing house rules for regulating alcoholic beverages. Number 13, alternative means of transportation and getting the customer home safely. And number 14, always have fun while working. This concludes Module 1. Let's do a little recap. You should now have a general idea on how this program works as well as how to navigate throughout the course. You should also be familiar with who is required to take a responsible alcohol sales service class, the time frame you have to get your training after being employed, how to replace a lost, stolen, or destroyed proof of certification, and the seminar objectives. You may now take the Module 1 quiz.